Yeah, today we'll discuss about two chapters. So among that, first one is a grape chapter, and the second chapter is art. So today we'll discuss about these two chapters. We'll cover this in within 1 hour. We can say we require to learn about these two chapters 1 hour. So we'll discuss about that. So before that, we'll discuss why we use this grep command and tar command. See, these two commands are majorly used in a Linux operating system. The first command is grep is used to find the content of file. Assume that in Linux operating system you have a file and that file contains lots of data in the form of lines. And among that, if you want to search the information which you required, then we will use grep command. In the grep command, simply is use find content, check the content of file, then we need to apply the grep command. Make a note of that. Grep command is applicable for only file. We cannot able to apply this grep command on directory. We cannot able to apply this grep command on links also. It is applicable for file. That means if you want to use a grep command, then simply we can use on file. Second one is a tar command, and that tar command used to compress and compress and decompress the data. What is the compress and decompress? Okay. Simply assume that if we have 1 terabyte of data, or we can say that simply if we have 1 GB of data, and if you have 1 GB of data and you want to compress that data, if you want to reduce the size of actual data, then we will use compression algorithm. And if you want to reduce the size or decompress the data, then we will use decompression. Okay, for example, if we have 1 GB of data, assume that, and when we apply the compression algorithm, we will get that same data in 600 MB like that. Okay, and same if we have 600 MB reduced the data, when we apply decompression algorithm, when we apply decompression algorithm, at that case we'll get the actual data. Okay. So that term called as a compression, and that term called as a decompression. So for that we'll discuss one by one. So before that we'll start related information. After that we will do the practical. So in that graph, if you want to use, we require a file. So what is the prerequisite? Required a file to do the operation. Will be the syntax of grep command. We'll use that. So simply here I will use grep. Okay. After that, which word you need to search? So here I will write search word. Whatever you want to search in a file. Okay. And after that, file name. This one is the syntax of grep. Okay. For example, if you want to search like that, grep hello among the file abc.txt, and it will search the hello word inside the abc.txt. Let's do the practical. So now check out if any files are available. Yeah, we have one folder called as a testing. So इसके अंदर जाके हम operation perform करते हैं cd as we have any files, so we will remove all the files. We all know that rm command is used to remove the files. don't have any file. So here we will create a file with the command cat. Or we can also create a file using a head, tail like that. So cat here I have a file abc.txt. In that I will write hi. So how are you? I'm fine. Like that stuff. Just I will write some text inside that. Save that file. Just read that file, particular file. Check out whether that file is created. We have successfully created a file. Now we'll read that. Add abc.text. See, we have successfully created file. So in that file, we have some 4 lines. And among that, I want to search am word. This word. A. I want to search this am word. Okay. So I will write a syntax for that. Tape. There is no need to write syntax because we already did that. If the name of word is am and the name of file is abc.txt. So let's check out. See, found that word am. Check out. Okay. Am word. For example, if you want to find out hi word, rave I abc.txt. You got that word. Okay. Similarly, you can do the operation for grep command, but make a note of that. You need to have some bunch of words. Okay, so you can get a brief idea regarding that. For that, I have one directory in the layer in the Linux operating system. You have also that directory, and we'll check that. Where is that directory? So go to the cd slash usr slash share slash dict folder. In that folder you will get the directory, you will get the dictionary. Okay, so among that we can perform bunch of operation on that dictionary. Let's check out. See ls, we have that word directory. Make a note of that. You can perform here operation or just copy that file on desktop, so you can able to perform such type of operation mode. So cp, copying that words, copy that file in desktop home, the name of user admin in that desktop. If you want to perform here operation, you can also perform. See, I successfully copy the word file into the desktop. So, and my desktop path is the slash home slash admin slash desktop. Let's check out cd and cd slash home slash name slash desktop. So right now we are in a desktop ls and see we have a file called as a word. Okay. If you want to check the words, we can open the file in cat command. Check out. See, we have a bunch of words. If you want to check how many words we have, then we will use pipe command also. So check out cat words, and this one is a pipe command, single or command. Okay, so single line को हम pipe command भी कह सकते हैं. In that, just I will write wc. Okay. wc stands for word count. Okay, let's check out. See, in the directory dictionary, we have near about total 1 lakh words. Okay, 1 lakh lines. Near about 1 lakh lines we have. So we can able to perform a bunch of operation by using a grep command. This section. So let's do that. So for example, grep cat words. See, we have successfully find that word, but this word is combined with other words. Check out. Okay. Meaning of cat command. I searched a word for that. If you want to check only that particular word, okay. For example, I want to check only hello. Does that application have that word? We'll check that. See, the particular dictionary have a word called as a hello. Okay, hello, okay, hellos, and hello. Okay, so we have that word. And if we want to check how many words we have having with same string, having with same expression, just use pi and type WC. So we'll get the count of that word. So we get 5 words. See, having this section. Okay, but in that case, we have another options. For example, if you want to check only that particular word, then we have an option of O. Okay, so let's discuss about these 3 options, and after that we can able to perform that operations. So grep command have 3 options. First one is I, second one is O, and third one is N. We can perform these 3 operations using a grep command. So when we use I, then it will perform case insensitive operations. Okay. Insensitive operation. What does it mean? So right now, when we perform any operation on Linux, okay, when we perform any operation for Linux, so there's a difference between capital I and small I. Okay, in that section, capital H and small h is a differ. Okay, so when we press -I with grep command, so we will get both the word, small as well as capital word. When we perform that operation, you will get the idea. Okay, so for example, I have 2 words called as a small cat, called as a capital cat. Okay, so when we use this I command, -I with grep, then we can able to find both smaller letter as well as capital letter. Okay, when we do not pass that word, okay, at that time we'll get only particular letter. Okay, for example, cat, for example, grep, capital HI in words. See, we don't have that word. Small I, see, we'll get that word. Okay, but we get that word with similar expression only. Okay, now when we pass grep hyphen I, and after that a particular word, let's check out. See, here we get smaller letters also. Okay, also we'll get the capital letters also. So we'll check about that. These are the smallest. See, these are the capitals. Capital H is there, small I is there. When we go down, after that we'll get the smaller letters also. So simply that means when we pass a hyphen I, okay, so also we can use like that stuff also. Grep hyphen word after I. We'll get the same information. Okay, so syntax का कुछ भी issue नहीं. So grep search word option hyphen I, and after that word. Okay, so it means that we can find the word with case insensitiveness if you want to pass the hyphen I. Hyphen O is the word, it will find a particular word only. Particular word only. For example, how it works. For example, I have a word. Okay, ABCD high. ABCD high, and another word high. Okay. So when we perform this operation with only, it will search for particular word only. Okay. So जैसे मैं अभी ये word को find out करता हूँ grep command से. Let's check out grep I abcd.txt. When we find that, so we will get 2 output. First one is abcdhi, and second one is a high. But when we perform same operation by using option I, option O, then we'll get only that particular word. In that gate, we'll get only high. We did not get about the ABCD high. Okay, So hyphen O stands for only word. Okay, it will find only that particular word. And the last one is, let's do the practical about O. Grape, I hyphen O words. See, we get only that particular high word. That's why hyphen O is used. If you want to check how many high words are available, so after that just press WC word count. So among the list we have 2889 high words. Okay. When we pass with along with hyphen I also, okay, I is a case insensitive and O is only. Then we'll get the same in the form of 2990. See, we get 2990 words. When we remove that word count options, so we'll get the actual numbers also. Just cursor upside को लेके जाना है आपको. Say smaller, high, smaller, 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 smaller. Just 1 second. Okay, here I will find some different word. Cat word will search in words. Check about that. Different words. Yeah, all the words in smaller case, so that's why it's not able to find out. So let's do the practical to understand that. So here I will create the file cat abcd txt, get the idiom abcd.txt. Here in desktop we cannot able to perform the operations. Here we perform cat abcd.txt. File. Create that same file. I will do high, capital high, decimal high. So just save that file, edit whether that file is available. Yes, successfully added. Now we'll perform grep operation. Grep. See, I want to search high only among the words. The abcd.txt. So we'll get only one time high. Okay. And we press grep hyphen I. So that means it will print insensitive also. So see, we get the 4 times output. High, high, high. Okay. So we'll get that. So we'll read one more time that file. update, and I will add the word I ABCD. That now I'm trying to search that I word. So we'll get this output with case insensitive hyphen I option. And when we press O with that, okay, so last two words are not visible, only 4 lines will be visible. See, additional जो content है वो visible होगा क्या? नहीं, additional content is not visible when we pass option O. Make a note of that. When we press I, then it will perform case insensitive. When we press O, then it will show only the particular one. And the last option that grep command is -n. It will specify the numbers. Specify the number. For example, if you have 4 lines, then it will specify the 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number lines. Okay. I will do that. Grep word hyphen n and file name. Let's do that. We'll check common with operations on this file with lines. Okay. Here we will grep hyphen n. So we can use hyphen n after searching word or before searching word. Okay, no issue. Hyphen n. I will search for the high, and after that we will search on the abc.txt. See, we get smaller 2 highs. The first high we get on line number 1, and second high will get on second 7 number line. So like that, it will specify the line number. Specify the line number. If you want to check that line number of file, so we can able to check that. Simply, my question is, can I able to perform all the options with in single one command? For example, grep hyphen ion word जो भी search करना है, and after that file name. So can I able to do that? The answer is yes, we can able to do that by using this way also. We can use single options, we can use 2 options, we can use 3 options combined. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. We have a file, the operation grep high option ion, and the name of file is word. See, we get the only word, we get the case insensitive, and we also get the line number also. Okay, so like that stuff we can able to perform. This is the overall about grep command. Also, we 2 options are available for using while performing the operation on grep command. See, we learn about the grep command by using 3 options. We are learn about this command, the command by without using these 3 options. Now my question is, if you want to search a word, want to search word starting with letters. Example, ऐसा word search करना है जो start with cat, start with h, start with abcd, like that stuff. Then can I able to do that? The answer is yes. I will do that. What will be the syntax? Just we need to use grep. Okay. After that search word जो भी है हमारा वो search word, and after that file name. This is the normal syntax. Okay, but if you want to search a word starting with some letter, make a note of that. Whatever word we need to search, so in front of that word just pass cap. This symbol indicates called as a cap. Okay, so ये जो symbol दिख रहा है इसे cap कहते हैं. Okay, so we need to add the in front of word. Okay, for example, let's do the practical. Let's see the one example. After that, we'll do the practical. Grave, I, or we can say that cat. I want to search starting with cat. Okay, so just I will cap that word, and after that here I will pass the file name. We'll get all the starting words. Let's do that. Grave, cap, cat. I want to search this word. Okay, starting word. So all the starting word will be listed. See, catty, catties, catulus, cato, cato, catiline. So we can able to find the word starting with cat. Okay. So if you want to check another word instead of that cat, here we will want to search HI. So see, Hitachi, Hitachi, Hanford, Hitler. So we can find that word, starting word. So make a note of that. If you want to find out the word starting with the words, then we need to use cap command. So similarly, if you want to find out a word, you want to find out word ending with ending with some alphabet or some letters. Okay. In that case, is it possible? The answer is yes. Is it possible? What will be the syntax? We'll check out. Grave, search word, after that file name. So just make a note of that. So if you want to find out starting word, then we need to use cap command. If you want to find out ending word, then we need to use dollar at the end of word. Okay, so here we use the dollar symbol. So it will list out all the ending word related information. Okay, for example, how will do that? Grave, for example, cat, dollar, for that file. It can easily find out the ending word cat. Okay, starting में उसके कुछ भी हो सकता है, but ending में cat ही होना चाहिए. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. The name of word is cat, and the end will pass the dollar and words. Muscat, bobcat, cat, copycat, the cat, lolcat. At the end must be cat. End must be cat. Okay. Easily we can able to find out that. Last one, last section in that. If you want to find out, if you find out actual word, इसके बाद में starting ending नहीं चाहिए. Actual word from list, then is it possible to find out? The answer is yes. I will do that by using about to operation. We can able to do that. So see, grep, search word, after that file name. Make a note of that. Actual word कैसे start find out करना है. So वो starting with particular word से भी होना चाहिए and ending भी same होना चाहिए. So we can use both letters simultaneously. Cap भी use करेंगे and डॉलर भी यूज करेंगे. तो इससे क्या होगा, वर्ड स्टार्ट से भी वही होगा और एंड से भी वही होगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू फाइंड एक्चुअल वर्ड एज अ कैट. इसके आगे मैंने कैट के आगे कैप भी लगा दिया और एंडिंग भी लगा दिया, तो इन बिटवीन स्टार्टिंग वर्ड एंड एंडिंग वर्ड एक्चुअल वर्ड होगा तो ही ये दिखाएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं दिखाएगा. ओके, सो इट्स एन एडिशनल ऑपरेशन. After that file, likewise we can able to find out. Let's do that. dollar from the words. See, we get the actual word only. एक ही वर्ड दिखाएगा. एक्चुअल वर्ड में कभी भी याद रखना कि मल्टीपल वर्ड्स नहीं दिखाते हैं. एक्चुअल जितने डिक्शनरी के अंदर होंगे उतने ही दिखाएंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं दिखाएगा. तो डिक्शनरी के अंदर एक्चुअल वर्ड प्रॉपर में दिखा देता. दिस इज ओवरऑल अबाउट द grep command. Okay, and that we learn about how to use grep command. And that also we learn about the case insensitive and with three option I, O, M. Okay, case insensitive, numbers and only. After that we learn about the cap command. We learn about dollar command. After that we learn about both combine cap and dollar command. Okay. So this is about grep command and it is very useful to find out the content of file. Okay, this is overall about that command. So if you have any query, so right now I don't have a document about that. So you need to watch that video repeatedly to do the operation. So I forgotten to create the document of grep command. So after some time I will create and I will share that document. Okay, but you need to do the practice on that. So if you have any query, let me know. We'll discuss about that. And after that, we'll start new topic. So does anyone have query regarding that? Peksha, did you get that concept?
Yes, sir.
Namrata? Swapnil, did you get that concept?
Yes, sir. But without a cap or without a dollar, also we can find out that.
Yeah. So this is a very good question. But if you want to find out the actual word, then we can use cap and dollar command. See, I will show you. So grape, I want to find out how among that word. Okay. So without cap and without dollar command, if we're trying to find out that word, see we get we bunch of words. We get that bunch of words. In that case, कौन से word हमें मिल रहे हैं? So in that case, starting with HI वो भी मिल रहे हैं. Middle of HI, so middle word of HI वो भी मिल रहे हैं. And ending of HI वो भी मिल रहा है. Okay. So जब हम कमांड ऐसे यूज करते हैं grep simple high, so it will find out, it will match the regular expression among the dictionary and it will find out all the words. Okay, but when we trying to use dollar and cap, it will find out only one actual word. So simply we can say that if you want to find out actual word, then and then I will use dollar and cap. Okay. So if you want to find out only ending words, so I don't want to use starting. I want to use only ending. So we can able to find out. See. So if you want to use only starting, then also we can able to find out. Okay. So you will get that concept.
Yes, sir.
Any other queries? See, by using man command, we'll check out why we use grep command. Grep, E grep, F grep, R grep, print lines, the match pattern. It is used to find out the matching patterns. Okay, so that means simply we can able to find out the file content by using this grep command, and it's quite easy than other. Okay, we learn about the locate command also, but locate command is used to find out the file name and directory name. Only one command, grep command is used to find the content of file. मतलब क्या होता है, उस फाइल के अंदर जाके फाइल करता है, find करता है. So that's why we use the grep command. Now we'll discuss about and see now onwards. The chapters are very small. Few chapters are small, so we took less what we say less time lectures. So क्या होगा इससे कि आपके concept complete हो जाएंगे. Okay. So after that tar command we will close the session. What is the reason? Because multiple अगर पढ़ाते जाऊंगा ना तो ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. So if you want to learn about Linux commands, so we need to do the practice. जितनी प्रैक्टिस आप करोगे उससे उतना ही आपको नॉलेज ज्यादा मिलेगा. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट द basic concepts. So if you know that command, you need to practice more and more time. So then and then you will get the more information. Also, you can watch that video if you have any query. So now we'll discuss about the tar command. I have created the document of tar file. We'll discuss about that. So full tar. Why we use tar? We all know that for compress and compression and decompression के लिए ही tar use करने जाता है. So how we'll do that tar? कैसे करना है? Let's do that. So in particular the syntax of tar command. See tar. Okay. So that file name what it may be abcd.tar. Okay. And after that we need to provide a path. इस पे आपको tar apply करना है. Okay. So let's do that by using a practical. Just 1 second. But we'll discuss about some concepts also, and after that we will do the practical. Okay. Simply that we'll discuss about first tar, and after that we need to provide some options. We'll discuss about that. After that we provide the file name, assume that abcd.tar. So first of all, discuss about what is that CVF, why we use that concept. Okay. So here I will write, here I will describe. C stands for, or it is used to create new tar archive file. The option we need to pass while creating the tar file. Compression. We are learning about compression algorithm. Afterwards, we will discuss compression. C is used to create dot tar. I will create the tar file -c. So that we have option of V, and we'll learn about that. So it is a verbosely. Okay. So verbosely means it's show which file we convert, which file we perform our operations. Okay. For example, I'm using the -v option. Then on command prompt, it will show the text. It is not mandatory to use, but अगर use करते हो तो इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि आपने कौन से फाइल्स को compression algorithm apply किया है. And the last one is F. Okay. So it is a simple file name type. हम tar का use कर रहे हैं, use करते हैं for archive. Now simply assume that you have a folder called as a ABCD, and in that folder we have two files. Okay, so assume that A1 and A2. Now you need to perform the compression algorithm on that particular file, simple compression algorithm on that particular file. So what should I do here? I will use tar. So after that, I will use -cvf, create tar file, verbose show file name, and file type of archive -a. After that, here I will pass the name of file, tar file. For example, my file name is hello.tar, assume that the name of file. After that, where I will provide the path of the file. Okay, for example, home/arvin/ ABCD folder. Okay. When we press that, we will get hello.tar. We'll get the hello.tar. So let's do the practical. So you will get the idea. One file mkdir tar operation. आ गए हम tar operation के अंदर. ls here we'll create two files. Assume that empty files, or we can create cat u1 I from 1. Similarly, we'll create for a2 also. I am from. Let's check out whether two files are created. We successfully created these two files. Now we need to apply the compression algorithm on these two files. Okay, so let's back. आज हम थोड़ा सा back करेंगे और we'll do it here also. So tar hyphen cvf. Okay, tar hyphen cvf. The name of file is new.tar. Okay, we can use any name, but make a note of that. We need to provide extension. Extension is a .tar. Okay, and after that the path. Okay, so here we will pass the path home under name, and after that tar operation. Tar hyphen cvf new tar. So this file is used to pass options. C is used to create, V is used to verbose, and F is a file archival type. After that, the file tar name is new.tar, and after that home C. Click on that. Okay, we are working on the slash directory. That's why it will show the error. For that, here I will use sudo. So see, we don't have permission to work on this directory. Just 1 minute. See, we got that information. Actually, when we apply sudo user privileges, at that time the file will be created new.tar. Okay. So simply, how will do that? What is the command? Sudo tar hyphen cvf new.tar home Arvind and tar operations. So let's do one more time so you will get the idea. You can perform on these options. यहाँ हम perform करते हैं. Okay. So here we'll perform the tar operation. Hyphen cvf. Okay, the name of file is new.tar. After that, we will pass directly tar operations. Okay, यही हम pause करते हैं tar operations. Let's check out. When we pass V option, at that time it will show the tar operation related information. So tar operation के अंदर directory के अंदर A1 and A2, these all two files are compressed. Let's check out by using ls. Earlier see new.tar नहीं दिखा रहा था ये ऑप्शन में. यहाँ देखिए new.tar दिखा रहा है क्या? नहीं. So when we apply the tar compression, we get that operation. See new.tar. Okay, so by using this way we can compress the file. Okay, now अब मैंने तो compress कर लिया. Now I want to uncompress the file. We'll learn about another options also, but right now I want to learn about the uncompress. Okay, so I will do that. Before that, uncompress करने के पहले हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो tar operation folder दिखा दे रहा है, tar operation, we will delete that and we will uncompress. So actual folder हमें मिल जाएगा. Okay, so rem hyphen rvf and tar operation. Now successfully deleted. Check out. We don't have option of tar operation. Only we have tar file. Okay, so let's do that. Uncompress. So instead of hyphen cvf is used to create tar file. Second, hyphen
XVF is used to compress the tar file. CVF से क्रिएट होता है, X stands for extract, extract से अनकम्प्रेस होता है. सी लाइक इन RAR फाइल होता है, उसमें जिप एंड अनजिप ऑप्शन होता है. सिमिलरली क्रिएट करने के लिए CVF यूज किया जाता है एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए XVF यूज किया जाता है. लेट्स डू दैट. tar hyphen XVF, the name of file is new.tar. Okay, so do that. Successfully we did the operation. Just perform ls. Earlier, see, tar operation folder is not there. Now we have tar operations. Okay, when we uncompress that, so actual जो name होता है वही फाइल uncompress करता है. For example, compress करते समय new tar किया था, and when we apply the untar operation, extract operation, so we will get the same folder. We'll get the tar operation. Next, check out whether we have that files A1 and A2. We have A1 and A2 also. हमारे पास A1 and A2 भी available. Let's read out about the A1 and A2 file. See, I am from A1. We have also A2. I am from A2. So that means we successfully uncompressed that. Okay. So what we did that, first we compress the create the files by using the -cvf. So I will do that. tar -cvf file dot tar जो भी देना है, and after that path. से क्या होगा, कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम क्रिएट हो जाएगा. एंड अनकम्प्रेस कैसे करना है, tar -xvf फाइल नेम tar. क्या होगा, अनकम्प्रेशन हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दीज आर द two commands. Also one command is available if you want to check the content of tar file. You don't want to extract the file. See, if you don't want to extract the file and if you want to check the content of file, then we have option of tvf -tvf. इससे क्या होता है कि पर्टिकुलर फाइल्स आप देख सकते हो एंड अनकम्प्रेस और एक्सट्रैक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट वी कैन एबल टू व्यू द कंटेंट ऑफ फाइल. ओके, कंटेंट ऑफ कंप्रेस्ड फाइल. अगर कंप्रेस्ड फाइल के कंटेंट देखने हैं, कंटेंट देखने हैं, तो हम इसे देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स डू दैट. tar -tvf and new.tar. See, we perform this operation, we get that file. A1 भी दिखाई दे रहा है and A2 भी दिखाई दे रहा है. आफ्टर दैट न्यू tar भी उसके अंदर अवेलेबल था, तो वो भी दिखाई दे रहा है. So we get that all information. Okay. So ये extract नहीं करेगा. Make a note of that when we use -tvf option. So this, by using this, we can able to view the content of file only. Okay. So it is used to view the content of file only. अगर देखना है तो उसके अंदर हम जाके फाइल के कंटेंट देख सकते हैं, but we cannot able to extract by using -tvf option. So see, we learn about that. So make a note of that. We need to understand this concept. CVF is used to create the file. -xvf is used to extract the file. -tvf used to view the content of file. अब इसके अंदर भी ना 3 टाइप्स के tar फाइल होते हैं. सिंपल tar होता है, सिंपल tar. सेकंड वन होता है gzip file. So these are the algorithm I have created document. I will share with you and you can read it carefully. Okay, so more powerful is bz2. Okay. So these are the 3 tar formats. Simple tar file, okay, उससे पावरफुल gzip होता है एंड उससे पावरफुल bz2 होता है. ओके, सो अभी ये परफॉर्म कैसे करें. सिंपल tar तो हमने परफॉर्म कर लिया. नाउ वी नीड टू परफॉर्म gzip एंड bzip. we'll discuss about that. ओके, इसलिए हम tar ऑपरेशन में जाना पड़ेगा. I will remove the new tar file. Check out ls. We don't have tar operations. See, if you want to create gzip, then we need to press additional option as -j. Okay. So we need to pass additional option as -j if you want to perform the zzip operation. And if you want to perform bz2 operation, okay, in that case we need to pass -z. That case we need to pass -z. So let's do that. Okay. A1 को कंप्रेस करके देखते हैं, A1 एंड A1 को ही कंप्रेस करके देखते हैं. So tar -cvf. Okay, अभी zip बनाना है, so here I will pass j only. cvf से क्रिएट होता है तो एडिशनल zip फाइल बनाना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, जस्ट j ऑप्शन पास करूंगा. So फाइल नेम abcd.zip. एक्सटेंशन चेंज हो जाएगा इसका. अभी नॉर्मली इट वाज अ tar. Now when we use -g option, then extension was gzip, and after that a1. Let's see, we have successfully created gzip file. We have successfully created gzip file. So now we all know that if you want to view the content, then we will use tvf option. cd dot we get that file a1. इसके अंदर a1 available है. Okay, like that if you want to create bz2 file extension, so similarly we can do that. tar -cvf. Okay, -cvf, and just we need to enter z additional point. So see, if you want to use bz2, then we need to pass -z. So here we pass that. So after that, here I will write pqr dot b2z, sorry, bz2, and after that pass the a1. Let's do that. ls करके देखो. See, we get the pqr dot bz2. Okay, so now we all know that if you want to check the content, then tar -tvf and pqr dot bz2. Okay, we get the a, and when we ls, so see, abcd.gzip is there, pqr.bz, and normally use करना है tar, then tar -cvf, after that name of file lmn.tar, here I will use a1. See, we successfully created. So normally lmn.tar भी है हमारे पास, pqr.bz2 भी है, and abcd.gzip भी है. So make a note of that. In that we learn about how to create tar by using cvf. We learn about how to extract file by using xvf. Want to view the file, then we use tvf and tvf. Okay. Now if you want to create the gzip file, then we will pass option cvjf to create a bz2 file. Pass the option -cvzf. Okay. So these are the 5 most useful command, and by using that we can perform compression and decompression of algorithm. If you have any query, let me know. If you want to revise that session, I will revise it. So just make a note of that. Watch this video carefully and do the operation. Also, I will share the tar command document I have created, and grep command document I will share after some time. Before that, after 1 to 2 hour, 1 hour, I will share the video also. I will upload it soon, and you can watch that video and you can perform the operation. Make a note of that कि आपके जो टास्क है डेली के, ये अपसाइड और नेक्स्ट डे के लिए मत रखो. डेली के डेली जितने भी टास्क बताए ये परफॉर्म करो. अगर ये परफॉर्म करते हो तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी द मास्टर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इन फ्यूचर. After some days you will be the master. If you know the basic commands, So after that, you can learn the master related operations, C related operations also. Okay. So hope so you will get that idea. If you have any query, let me know that. Does anyone have query? भाग्यश्री
Present.
अटेंडन्स नाही आहे, क्युरी आहे का विचारतोय.
नाही.
प्रज्वल, डू यू हॅव एनी क्युरी?
No, sir.
So let's check the attendance of this video.